here. And then the guy, I was like, stop it, Cuddles. And then he was like, Cuddles? That's her name?
And then I said, you should call her Satan. You know, that looks like a haunted house with like the dope trees on that.
Oh yeah, check it out. Creeper haunted house.
Yeah.
All the weeds and junk.
Rising up. Now take this.
Me?
Look at how this is rising up.
Cuddles, stop it. They're gone. Gone. G-O-N. They have 5 American flags in their yard, so they emo flags. 4. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. And now we're coming up to the Brooks house. And that's my friend Bree's house over there. Not that one. No. Not that one, but that one.
What?
With the garage door open over there. Don't know if you can see it because there's a stupid giant tree in the way. Yeah, that's my friend's house, right? That one right there. You can see it, yes? That one. Oh, did she just poop again?
No, she didn't.
Again. But I don't feel like cleaning it up because I don't have an extra thing. So they can just kiss my dog poop. That one's my friend's house, right there, yeah. And now we're coming up to Brooke's house. And why am I talking like this? I don't want to.
Well, they had a tent back there, so I think we had to sleep over.
That's the tent I slept in. Then 5 nights in a row of a sleepover. 3 of the nights we were in this tent, man. Pretty wicked awesome. Oh, and there's my mummy. Oh. We gotta get the dog. Hi, Frank. Let's go in the front. See, that's Phoebe. Phoebe's a really good doggy. I just need to throw out my poop in your yard, Frank. We're going to drive it. Seeing Toy Story 3.
Did you ask Frank if he could throw it in his...
Yeah, he went inside.
He said wait.
He said wait. The poop is in the bag still.
So you can open up the door and get in.
Frank, can we throw this in their garbage can?
Hold on 1 second. What?
Can we throw this in your garbage can? My doggy took a poop.
What are you doing here? Over here.
Say Smarty, Becca.
I know, that's